Hey there. Doing some final block sanding on the Lone Star here today. We're on our final coat. I've already laid down one set, or 3 coats if you will, of the high build primer. Did a little guide coat, got that on there. Found a few high and low spots. We took care of those. And I just laid another 3 coats of high build primer down to get this thing nice and straight. But hey, check out the new shirts. And they were done by Devin, who happens to be behind the camera as well. So yeah, we're on the final stages of the box. Box is nice and straight. We had very little to do to it. A lot of rock chips and 1 bullet hole as well. We got the bullet hole fixed. Again, just went through and did total about 6 coats of high build primer. Obviously 2 sets of block sanding, guide coats. I believe we're really close to having this nice and straight. Gonna throw some sealer on it, let that sit for about a week or so while I do the body work on the cab, and we can get to paint finally. Yay!